Hey guys, this is Alan from Bayside of Van Wert. How we doing today? As you can tell, I'm doing a home system right now, and I've got it on a DB Drive 1500 watt amp hooked up to a Sundown Audio, and I got these subs. Well, this one here and the other one, they look alike, but they're two different models. I didn't pay attention to when I got them, so I'm not sure about what model brand this one here is. But I have it in the house. I have it in a brand new box I just got the other day. And let me tell you, it shakes and rattles the house. And this is, one of the Sundown Audio's biggest 8s that they had back when I got it. I'm just going to give you guys a taste about what this thing sounds like, because I have two speakers there. I have two up on the walls. I have another one right here, and another one right over there on that wall right there. And I'm going to give you guys a taste about what it sounds like.
So sad that your first daughter captured. Your hot as boiling water. My back just can't cross the border. Your girlfriend's a major snorter, but that bitch ain't worth a quarter. Don't give that another thought. If you serve me, then you shout. Also have ain't the quarter. Send my goons to do the slaughter. Hustle, I got from my father. Take no shit, got from my mother. Never snitched and never will. I put that on my baby brother. Coca-Cola, yeah, you bought me everything. Yola, baking soda. Cocaine is my girl fine. Damn, I got a Porsche.
Yeah, well, there you guys go. There's a demo. I hope you guys liked the video and liked what I did there and how I've got this whole system pretty much set up. I went ahead and ran some power switches. I've got a power meter and, well, a cigarette lighter plug-in. I just kind of revamped on there for right now. But I've got, switches to turn everything off and on over here for when I'm not wanting the bass or if I want it on. And as you can tell, it's working pretty good. It shakes the house. So if you guys like this video and you like the way it sounds, give me a thumbs up and comment if you want to about how you guys like this. This is Alan from Bassheads. Thank you guys for your support. Love you guys. This is Alan from Bassheads. Peace, and I'm out of here.